Okay, we're back for round 3 of this fix. I had added more here, added a little bit here, and on this side, and it was looking really good. Feels nice, feels pretty flat. I think once you got paint on it, it would look, you wouldn't even know that it was cracked. But the problem is, it's still down here, it's still a little wiggly. So yeah, I'm gonna add more JB Weld, and this time I'm just gonna try to build it up a little bit more and just not sand it down as much. It's just gonna be a little thicker, which I think is fine. I mean, to the average person, no one's gonna notice this is a little thicker. But I think that's the only way I can do it without actually like welding it, and I don't have a welder. So I don't know. I think I'm just gonna try that. It's freezing out here. This has been inside all night. This JB Weld has not, but I think that's probably okay. It's a little hard. Probably need to keep this inside. This stuff is working well. It's just, I think the arm of this thing is just so thin that I think it's just gonna have a hard time holding it. I mean, I'm probably gonna end up repairing this many times more over the course of owning this car. But I'll probably, next time, I will probably go to the point of maybe hiring somebody to weld it. But who knows if that will work either, so. All right, I think that's pretty good. And I'm gonna use my hands on this one because I want to be able to smooth it a little bit better. This sucks because I need to drive this car because I want to keep the fluids running through it and moving through it. And I want to keep it, consistently driven. But as long as this is still an issue, I can't. So I've got to figure this out. But like I said, this will probably, whether this works or not, I'm just gonna go with it. And if it breaks again, it breaks again. It's not like I haven't dealt with this now 4 times. Yeah, so I'm just not gonna sand it as much this time. I don't know, that's pretty good, I guess. Who knows? All right, so there we go. We'll see. Yep, all right. So this is a short one today. I am taking a mini break from this project, and I think I'm going to try to start insulating the attic above this garage so it's not frigid in the winter and blazing hot in the summer, and I can actually get some work done in here. So